Let's explore how to purchase a domain name and manage DNS records effectively, whether through a single provider or by using multiple services. Purchasing a domain name. To start, domain names are purchased from domain registrars such as GoDaddy or Amazon Registrar Inc. These companies handle the reservation of domain names, and typically, there is an annual fee for maintaining ownership. Most registrars also offer flexible renewal options, making it easy to retain your domain for as long as needed. Understanding DNS services and domain registrars. Here's an important distinction. Domain registrars often provide DNS services for managing your domain's DNS records, but the two are separate concepts. For example, you can purchase a domain from GoDaddy, but manage its DNS records using a third-party service like Amazon Route 53. This flexibility allows you to choose the DNS management solution that best fits your needs. Using Route 53 with third-party domains. If you prefer using Amazon Route 53 for DNS management, but purchased your domain from another registrar, such as GoDaddy, here's how to set it up. Buy the domain from your preferred registrar. Create a hosted zone in Route 53 for the domain. Update the NS records on your registrar's website to point to Route 53's name servers. This step ensures that Route 53 takes over DNS management for the domain. Alternatively, you can streamline the process by purchasing the domain and managing DNS records from the same provider, such as Amazon Registrar and Route 53. This option reduces complexity and centralizes domain management. Whether you choose to keep everything with one provider or use a mix of services, understanding how domain registration and DNS management work together gives you the flexibility to optimize your online presence.